there's a lesson that's like, if you, miss them while they're still here, and take care of the problem, and don't miss them anymore. That will make sense if you drink about a bottle and a half of wine and then listen to it. If you close the door, this night could last forever. Leave the sun shine out, say hello to never. All the people are dancing and they're having so much fun. I wish it could happen to me. But if you close the door, I'd never have to see the light again. If you close the door, the night could last forever. Leave the wine glass out and make a toast and never. Oh, someday I know someone will look into my eyes and say, hello, you're my very special. But if you close the door, I'll never have to see the day again. Dark party bars, shiny Cadillac cars, and the people on subways and trains. Great in the rain and it's so disarrayed, oh, but people look so well in the dark. If you close the door, the night will last forever. Leave the sun shine out and take a dose whenever. The people are dancing and they're having so much fun. I wish it could happen to me. But if you close the door, I'll never have to see the light again. Oh no, I'll never have to see the light again. One more time, I wish I'd have to see the light again.